scenario, the magma has come up from about 80 kilometres below the ground and has come up very suddenly, and without warning, it's interacted with the water below the ground, and this water-magma interaction is created a very, very explosive mixture. Imagine something like a nuclear blast. Not only do we have a column, but we have these surrounding currents that radiate out about 3 kilometres around from the volcano, destroying everything in their path. They could kill thousands of people, many thousands more would be injured. Parts of Auckland would be destroyed, and the costs would run to billions and billions of dollars.
Volcanoes are a surface expression of the immense power beneath New Zealand. The potential for major volcanic events is very real. And we must plan to mitigate the risks, knowing that any time, devastation could strike. The forces beneath New Zealand have shaped the landscape in a myriad of ways, and will continue to do so for millennia.